Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jubo bundi yijose michekerero na magendero bakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security Buigo Digital Animation and Media asinsemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department mbabuate Plumbing Building Technology asinsemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department mbabuate Electrical Engineering Power Option Electronics Buigo Telecommunication asinsemo ya Institutional Management Department Nkurubari Fashion Design and Clothing Technology Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy asinsemo ya Health Science Department mbabuate Health Records IT na Community Health asinsemo ya Business Studies mbabuate Human Resource Business Management na Supply Chain.
Inje Samarieta Dr. Were Mumanyi, the principal Burabu Technical Training Institute. Burabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Burabu Technical Institute igeko some abana nade koru chikosi chinyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko. Kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no negasi bagokoresa obwangu muibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotigo mwana ngabere siko ngoko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke serikali aiguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aiguchibesa kurwe serikali ese motokoruka help aiguchibesa chia CDF igo omwana oyo kera iruchibesa ichonsi igemineti nga igagosoma bosa tobaise gotigo omwana oisiko ekiagera nga tobwatie besa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora masomo achigwekonya nanda achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egendrete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asebare kisi ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inuti isano ibere inuti isano ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano isano nemo inye inuti isano ibere isano ibere inye isato ibere inuti isano boigo inuti isano ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma taliri ase website www.burabutti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute Technical Skills for Development.
Mugasomi omwancho murire Gatembe TV rituko neria Jumanne chitariki 15 na ibere mutienyo kabere umwaka wega karibu sana sekionga chinsa isano na ibere na ndakoretere nje Matilda Obaigwa na Veni Nyaboke arache koretera kurasensemo ye bimanyero karibu sana karasoike hili nyaro kumanya narali awo korekana me yeli roba liagusi na boigo kurwase serikali yeito enene na nekirongo chake kionga mwancho murire nigo bono amate ya Conrad amenya kurwase kinyoro kia agakora ibere ime ye wadi ya Kegogi ime ya Kitutu cha Chenote county ya Kisii bono ya Sabiro Bokonyi ase omwancho obo oyo onyarte konyora kusukubatira ni gwaso mubasokano omobe nabo igoko kagirwa bunani gasiretie obugima bwaye korende samutukamanga anyarete kobera ase ICU nabo igo akanyara kobera asinye gitali konyoro bowene hasibone bile yanyari wikachi milioni 3 igo batebire egetiro kya gosebanyolire egetiro egetindi ase okorigia chibese icho nabo igo hoikirania ebile eyo irindo mwancho banyare koira na senka yabo wakoboria bali no moyo bwancho ya nabo igo nabarai okorase county ya Kisii banyare wesonania ili kubakonya
nje Samarieta nguru kwere Nyaboka amenya omwana oyo rwalete no yone omwana oyo gari kokore egasi Mombasa egwika chitariki 2 cha January tugakure simbi ngorwa orwarire bamonyora nyumba ate manyeti bakamubogori bakamwira nyagitari akabekwa ICU kengima eximie gakunga osire gochaka inchetinta ebiri eri botuko bakoba gonte bya sengenjo ninduarete pressure ni sukari mambi bogokia mumurujo minto atabeti gwagacha gwika kanyora nyomba tole akakongonda tokamweli kiruga karansa isiko atoboli ngakimwa bokizenga mataitu abokera kinu mwana kona dioro murweire akabwato kerabwa gante bitiganda araika nkoira nande gocha omoyo kanyanga ngusesi minga kero muga kone ngamuboli magara mwante beti ngonta imwarenge ngakio munyagitari atebete igoro yo mwana uyo ngakigose mutante beti agante mangana tari maya Mombasa kona diga sirete
eriboti kama gotocheranga omwana uyo korigenti okure egaikanka muna maite kawaidere kero monta asirire goika abantu baikaranse babange igoro ya matangaye
ebiri akonyora ya chirigo ya ikire 2.2 togaja tokabanga rindi ngoto bango muchango egera tora sento nyore kende turu ebiri chibese tu anyore tene ruwaru baine na atemire goeta abaine na basani na atemire goeta chiobisi abakonyi bwambolire
nonyensa eyo kenyene yaikire ase limiti etari gokore gasi bono gakini gotukwamete na tuasabira sogwanja kwaino no kwa Nyasaye no gwe sirikali asemore gaki motokonye motokwamore erinde toralengo mwana yo ruri korwaria
abagambi baitu ngosaba simbarati gaki sura iwekerereke onkonye gaki chabeti nyakundi omwemupi sura iwekerereke onkonye gaki mwemusione Jared Masieka osore igwekerereke onkonye nonde tonya toto gaki onkonye gaki nonde bwensi tari kende tugwate gayo torao ni omwana ikonyone arabeire tegemeo yani era konyora beire tegemeo yani kiagera na gusari gutarakora mwaka
mwancho murigirira gutigana nayo nigo bono abako betoigo iyo yanyarite gukorekana mu mwaka ori 2024 asechinse mochire cha mayu magega yedamo ya mwatika nikobono bali ne kibago chengera lituko lya lero ayega magega yo mukonyi bo murai wenso muske kidire kindiki mugabana we county ya Nakuru muske Susan Kihika na bwigati ya barai bande kuira emerobelio yokuba chitaito dede bali banyarite konyoru muchando yo na bwigo chi enibo yabo gosombwa na machayo ayo anyarite gukorekana chinga kecho ne chinga kecho ase bali batabwate chindemero bamenyete gose bamenyete ase chinyomba cyo gukomboego nigo bono barachiko konyo ne serikali asokoegwa obo menyo nengana egenderete gukorekana ase county ya Nakuru ase chinseme cyo cha mayu litukeriga
Sinoma ni mbwekse wacha nione mbwekse wacha mayu mbwekse bas. Asante sana. Wacha kwanza nichukue nafasi hii niseme ya kwamba tumefurahi kufika hapa. Tumefika hapa kwa sababu kuna mkasa ambaye ulipatikana na ule mkasa tukapoteza watu wetu, na leo tumekuja hapa kwa sababu ya waathiriwa. Tunaendelea kusema pole kwa wale ambao walipata hiyo mkasa, na tuko hapa kwa sababu tungetaka kuhakikisha kwamba tumesaidia wale ambao walipata mkasa kupata mahali pa kuishi. Na nimesikia iko group mbili hapa. Kuna wale ambao walikuwa wamejenga na nyumba zao zikachukuliwa na maji, na wengine walikuwa wamekodisha. Sasa vile nimefika hapa wale wote ambao walikuwa wamejenga nyumba zikachukuliwa na maji watapata ardhi, na wale wote pia walikuwa wamekodisha pia hao tutawatafutia makao. Na nataka niseme ya kwamba maneno ya land compensation, ile ardhi imepatikana. Wale ambao walikuwa wamejenga watapewa ardhi leo. Tutatoka hapa na title deed, na wale walikuwa wamekodisha, hata hao nimeamrisha Wizara ya Ardhi baada ya kushauriana na rais, hata wale ambao walikuwa wamekodisha mutapewa ardhi. Waziri yako na hiyo
mwancho murigire na kurasi wizara ya HSM na boigo eliyo borendi ni gobono university emanyakanite na National Intelligence and Research University iyo kana na megerio yo gukora ubutuki aiga asense ya Kenya iyo gutoka chinse mocha loresho meyo mucho Nairobi bono litukuria lero nigo yanyarire kwena na gose igibwato moyega guko babekera egutwa chigutwa aborokirwa abatangani bari banyare konyora amegeri yayo asomuyiga unyare gwikiranwa na barai au cross wizara yechisemi nabo igase wizara eri iyo borendi niko bono banyare kwerabuna enchira iyo gukora obuke bago nabo igoko kyani okubura ku murembe aiga sense ya Kenya gwetera asokwena na megerio gochasie abakenya gwetera university eyo.
Our belief that the future of security lies in innovation. Indeed, Africa confronts threats marked by a high degree of randomness, ushering in an era of polycrisis where traditional security threats coexist alongside emerging and often invisible risks. This reality is within this context that NIRU is advancing an Afrocentric approach to intelligence and national security education that situates our scholarship within Africa's historical realities, strategic priorities, and uncertain future aspiration. Such an approach enables us to address threats that erode state legitimacy, weaken public trust, and undermine governance institutions. These range from transnational crime and cyber vulnerabilities to the weaponization of information through disinformation and misinformation, as well as climate change and pandemics. At the same time, Africa must navigate shifting global dynamics characterized by declining multilateralism. The implication is clear, Your Excellency. We must assume full responsibility for our security, our development, and the resilience of our institutions. Outsourcing this priority is no longer viable, if it ever truly was. Only by pulling together as African nations can we overcome the challenges before us.
Mwancho murigirire nasa okulinda ebintu biri bitonchukanene nabo igo rire meyensi ya Kenya nigobono ewizara eri y'ebintu bitonchukanene gose umwaziri kurase wizara iyo umuske Deborah Barasa nabo igo no babwatani kurase kiombe kianema bono banyare gutwara igikaro litukoria rero yo kurigirira na kiabara cheko keya amalio kia carbon ayobono haguchare tumuchando ase erire nigobono babwatirania ewizara eri yo amaguta imeyensi ya Kenya gose wizara ya energy nabo igo wizara y'oborimi nabo igo ensemo eri kurigereria mangana yechinsana nekirabona ikerenga kere ogokiania malio kia yo akorwase chi factory chinyinge nabo igo kurigereria enchira bono emitiranya gusime kwa sobonge nago keya obububu bokoretwa no gonchoreria kwelire.
It is a landmark achievement in Kenya's climate governance framework and a significant step in strengthening our participation in the international carbon markets. Today's event underscores the government of Kenya's commitment to establishing transparent, credible, and accountable systems that enable our country to fully harness opportunities presented under Article 6 of the Paris Agreement while safeguarding national interests and advancing sustainable development. As the saying goes, you cannot manage what you can't measure. For decades, the world admired Kenya's breathtaking landscapes. Alone, they saw lush forests, our sprawling savanna and grasslands, our innovative geothermal fields, and our coastal mangroves as beautiful but passive.
The National Environment Management Authority derives its mandate, as we all know, on this particular issue from the Environment Management and Coordination Act, CAP 387, and also the Climate Change Act, CAP 387A. These legal and policy frameworks assign NEMA the responsibility of serving as Kenya's designated national authority, the DNA. Again, when we were doing science, you know, DNA was a totally different thing. But now we are talking about the designated national authority, not the scientific one, for carbon markets as well as hosting and administering the National Carbon Registry. Therefore, my board affirms its full commitment to ensuring that NEMA effectively executes this mandate with professionalism, integrity, and accountability.
Mawaziri omonene Musike Musalia Mudavadi uyu nainde utenerete mangana yechinse cheisko nigobono aenekiri kubwaterana igati yense ya Kenya na boigo enseri ya Egypt ne chinga kecho gusanga na bararia nigo atebire gweterase chinkwana echo chigenderete gokorekana nigobono ense ya Kenya rache kubwaterana na koeneke buna yanyare kubeka obwamate obia ase orugongo rwa Afrika.
Kenya appreciates Egypt's role in the African Union Peace and Security Council, through which Egypt has made significant contributions in the promotion of peace, stability, and conflict resolution. Egypt's active participation reflects a strong commitment to fostering regional cooperation and security. We reaffirmed our steadfast commitment to support peace initiatives in the Horn of Africa. Our shared efforts is aimed to not only secure stability, but also foster sustainable development and prosperity of our people. On the African Union reform and multilateral coordination, Kenya, as a champion of African Union institutional reform, reaffirmed its commitment to advancing more effective, unified, and financially sustainable African Union aligned with the Agenda 2063. We agreed on the urgency of concluding outstanding reform priorities, including the restructuring of remaining AU organs and clarifying the division of labor between the AU, regional economic communities, and member states. Kenya remains firmly committed to advancing our strategic and comprehensive partnership with Egypt as a platform for regional stability, economic growth, and Africa-led solutions. I look forward to sustained engagement.
Nase igitambukiro ya serikali ya Kenya kwena na ensemo ya Safaricom gochase Vodacom yoteneneire nenseri ya South Africa nigopono mujumbe okiaru musikendi ndinyoro pono anyareko gikire kusagendete gutenda bokongu na gukana enganeye nekiratebire abakenya bange tibago chikokonyeka ase umuroberi uyo nabo igokogosereria bunanigo arachie kuigorera chinchera abakenya banyare gusange birengerero na ababwatani kurwase company ya Vodacom. Nekira kutabuna serikali nigo itarategerera ebirengererio bya bakenya ase engana eyo.
Sold a narrative to Kenyans, a self-interested narrative, that the Safaricom share price at 34 shillings was being traded at an unimaginary premium. As late as last Friday, the share of Safaricom in the Nairobi Securities Exchange actually crossed the 34 shillings mark. So we are calling upon those people in government who are auctioning our assets for a song. A time has come when the markets themselves have betrayed you. The markets that you are hedging your narrative on is already past your transaction price. And therefore it is now time that Kenya halts and suspends the sale of Safaricom shares to Vodacom immediately, because Kenyans are already buying those shares at a cheaper price in the market. And because we've been seeing those in government just dumping and they don't want to take responsibility to give credible feedback to Kenyans in terms of this transaction, I want to tell them this. We are giving you time to respond to issues that Kenyans are raising. And if people who are charged in negotiating for Kenyans will still continue to talk on behalf of the buyers, I am giving them this ultimatum today, that I am going to give Kenyans the contact of the directors of Vodacom so that Kenyans can engage them directly on behalf of their 100 shares per Kenyan, which the Kenyan government is selling.
Asinkwana eyo yae muskendi ndinyoro no tokore kionga chinse isano nevere kurende humirana na intwenande ase kionga chinse komichiale romorgoba ilinde tunyare gusanga ali agendete watika koroiga agetembe television kurende to basikuska murubiri go so asembio of vibes on vibes iri tukori rero lia Jumanne norare to sore nere Wiza Crown na boigo DJ Creepers chenkuru kwa Matilda obaigwa veni nyaboke kuro asebi manyere na boigo nere Mike Wills kurasi studio akabere ukoretera chibicha neri giasinchira engikirano twara uburigereria obia
Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jubo bundi yijese michekerero na magendero bakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security buigo Digital Animation and Media asinsemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department mbabuate Plumbing Building Technology asinsemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department mbabuate Electrical Engineering Power Option Electronics Boigo Telecommunication Asinsemo ya Institutional Management Department Nkurubari Fashion Design and Clothing Technology Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy Asinsemo ya Health Science Department Mbabuate Health Records IT na Community Health Asinsemo ya Business Studies Mbabuate Human Resource Business Management na Supply Chain
Inje Samarita Dr. Were Mumanyi the Principal Worabu Technical Training Institute. Worabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Worabu Technical Institute igego some abana nade koru chikosi chinyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko. Kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no negasi bagokoresha obwangu muibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotigo mwana ngabere isiko ngoko bachibesa njiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okorete omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke serikali aiguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aiguchibesa kurwe serikali ese motokoruka help aiguchibesa cha CDF igo mwana oyo kera iruchibesa ichonsi igemine tinga igagosoma busa tobaise gotigo mwana isiko ekiagera ngatubwatie besa morete nabo tokubwatirana omwana oyo anyora masomo achigwekonya na ndachikubakonya
intake January 2026 nigo egendrete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asebare kisi ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inoti isano na ibere inoti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere mo isano na ibere isano nemo inye inoti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inoti isano boigo inoti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma taliri ase website www.burabu.tti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute Technical Skills for Development.
Kila nafsi na ita
Tuchande kuralia uo kwa maili nyage changa maiko